Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming the exact Windows 11 edition and connectivity, because the wrong key or offline state stops activation. Sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your digital license, then open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Activation. Once there, choose Change Product Key if you have a 25-character key, or select Troubleshoot if a digital license should be detected. Make sure updates aren't pending. They can block activation, so install any critical updates before continuing. Next, you'll run the built-in repair and command line tools to force revalidation. Open Troubleshoot and follow prompts to detect a linked digital license. If that fails, run PowerShell as admin and use slmgr. VBS/DLV to view status, then slmgr. VBS/IPC followed by your key to reinstall it. Once done, run slmgr. VBS/auto to attempt online activation. Also verify date/time, TPM state, and secure boot in UEF. To finish, verify settings right arrow activation shows Windows is activated and that your Microsoft account lists the device. If activation still fails, sign out, reboot, and retry the activation sequence. Temporary service or cache issues often clear with a restart. If you hit an error code, write it down and use the activation troubleshooter again, which can link a digital license to your account. As a key troubleshooting tip, record the exact error code and hardware ID, then contact Microsoft support for assisted relinking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.